Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add Facebook Pixel to Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, click on select and edit site, and then wait for your dashboard to load. Once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections. So once you're here, go ahead and search for marketing. It's going to be here. Give it a click, and then here you're going to find marketing home, Google Ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing, social media marketing, referral program, and lastly, discounts. So go ahead and uh, click on marketing home. And then once you're here, if you scroll down a little bit, here you're going to find social media marketing, Google Ads, email marketing, email automations, coupons, Facebook and Instagram ads, link in bio, and lastly, SEO. So if you want to advertise on Facebook, go ahead and click on advertise on Facebook right here. And then here, as you can see, guys, reach the right audience with Facebook and Instagram ads. So select a campaign goal to continue. You can either select generate leads or get sales. And then go ahead and click on get started. And once you do that, just go ahead and sign into your Facebook account. Then click on login, and after that, your Wix account will be linked to your Facebook account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.